Hey readers, we've been working with the text How Do Birds Find Their Way, and we've been talking about writing summaries. Remember, a summary is a brief statement or a retelling of the main points of something. In a summary, it's essential to include the following pieces of information. You want the main idea, it could be one or more. You need to include carefully selected details for each main idea. And you need to write about the ideas from the text, not your opinions for a summary. To me, this sounds like a lot like a boxes and bullets organizer. Yesterday, you worked in a Google form to write about how do birds find their way. If you remember, the boxes and bullets organizers were provided for you, and you were making a summary for each of those sections. So from there, we're going to put those two pieces together to create a full summary of the book. So our first boxes and bullets main idea, it said, we see birds disappear each fall to migrate south. The details that were included in that were birds leave in the winter, birds come back in the spring, and they are looking for warmer weather. So here's a student sample of creating a summary for that section. Birds can do many things. Let me tell you what they can do. We all see birds disappear each fall to migrate south. Here are a couple reasons. First example is that birds leave in the winter. Second example is that birds come back in spring. Most importantly is that they are looking for warmer weather. So our second section, boxes and bullets, said, main idea. Birds are naturally able to figure out where they are going. Our bullets said, they follow the sun and the moon. They follow the stars. They follow Earth's magnetic fields. So here's how this student turned it into a summary. Birds usually always find their way. Let me tell you how. They follow the sun and the moon. They also follow the stars. Most importantly, they follow the Earth's magnetic field. So watch me while I put this into one full summary, and then you'll try doing the same. So I'm going to start with, in the text, how do birds find their way? And I'm going to underline it because that's the name of a book. We learned that birds disappear. And I'll stop underlining here. We learned that birds disappear each fall to migrate south. So now I'm going off of the summary here. Here are a couple of reasons. The first example is that birds leave in the winter. The second example is that birds come back in the spring. Most importantly, they are looking for warmer weather. And then I'm going to add a little conclusion to that section. That is why they migrate. In the text, now I'm moving on to the second section where our main idea is that they're able to find out their way. In the text, we learned that birds naturally find their way. And then down here it said they find their way by following the sun, following the moon, and following the Earth's magnetic field. Notice in this summary, I included my main idea, all the supporting details. I included my second main idea, all of the supporting details, and I put it together. When I put it together, because this is a summary, so it's based on what the text said, I did not add my own opinions. A summary does not include an inference. This is all what the text says. What I'd like you to do is pause the video, go down to the comment section, and please comment what else you noticed about this summary. What pieces did you see me include? Is there something about it that you liked or that you want to try in your summary? When you're done commenting, please press play. Now that you've left a comment about my summary, your next job is to head to Google Forms. Now it's your turn. In your Google form, you will see both pieces put together. Your job is to write a full summary of both sections of the text. Happy reading!